Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pidre. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly help us to subscribe to our channel. It's going to help us a lot. And you can also like and comment on this video. You can also join our Telegram group for more updates on technical analysis and for mentorship. And guys, today I'm going to show you, I promise you guys that I'm going to make a video on boom 500 and boom 500, which I've analyzed using this strategy. We use this strategy to scalp, and if you are scalping, you only take up to 5, 10, 20 candles every time. You can easily take up that 5, 10, 20 candles when scalping. When the indicator means you take up your candle. So let me show you. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me show you the settings of this strategy for you guys to have it on your phone. I'm only having 4 indicators here. The first one is the oscillator, which is the percentage K of 50. The percentage D is 6. The slow in 6. I have the price fee to be low and high. I have methods to be simple. I have main to be just screenshot it, then you press undone. And I have the second one, which is the Bollinger Band. Just screenshot it, then press undone. You see I don't have any level here, then press undone. I have the William percentage range. Just screenshot it. I have the two level here, which is the negative 80 and negative 20. Then press undone. And I have the envelope, which is the last one here. I have the envelope, which is the last one. You see, just screenshot it so that you guys can have it. You see, so then press undone. So when you do this, you have the same chart the way I have it, like this on your phone. You see, what are the criteria that you need to meet for you to identify the right time for you to enter the trade? Let me show you. The first thing you need to identify is anytime your red line, which is our envelope, is crossing above the what, above the blue line, which is this particular time. That is the right time for you to what, to scrap the market. And when you're taking the scrap, you can easily take up to like 10 candle the market, then you are out of the candle. You see that let's count the how many candlestick that we can easily take with this. As we see, this is live chart. I've used this to grow my account. You see I've grown this account from small amounts, you see, for to this particular amount. So you can easily take up your trade at this particular moment. So let's count how many candlestick do we really see from this. If you are taking this particular trade this moment, let's check how many candlestick. So from this particular time is when you have your accurate 9 here. So we can easily take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Then you can easily exit your market at this particular time. Or you determine that you want to take 15 candle, you can take it when the market is not yet work against you. So this is exactly the right time for you to take the trade. So you can keep on checking. Let's keep on checking for more update. You see what is happening at this moment now is because the market is having a downtrend at this particular moment, and we can see all our trading is moving on on below 9. You see they are moving on below 9. That is to tell you that we have a downward market at this particular moment. So we have an entry at this particular moment also, which indicates at this right also. You see we can easily take our 10 candle then out of the market. And you see, well, let's look for another entry which give us a more confirmation. Again, we don't have yet. So all this one is indicate to us that there is a spike in the market. So you see if there is a spike in the market, you see we have another entry at this particular moment. It indicates to us that we have a entry here. You see we can easily take your 10 candle, or you take up to 20 candle, then you out of your market. If you can do that up to 10 times in a day, then you can easily hit a lot. Even as a beginner with $10 account, with $5 account, you can do this to grow up your capital every day. You just limit yourself to how many amount of trade you want to take every day, and how do you want to take it, and when do you want to take it. So if you can easily answer all these questions, then you can easily get it done every time. You see, between the spike now, this does not work. It may be when it gets to a particular level, that is when you will take it. No, it works anytime it cross each other. It works anytime they cross. You see you can easily take up to 10 candle, or you can take up to 50 candle at this moment. You see, let's check for more. It works every time they cross each other. Anytime it keep on crossing it works. You see, no matter how small it's going to be, it still works. No matter how much it's going to be, it still works. It's still going to work. You see, at this particular time, it still works. It still works. So that's exactly how it works in what in boom 500. So for zoom level, I'm using just this third zoom level. That's exactly what I'm using. So let's check what is happening on crash 500. And I don't want this video to be too long. So what you need to do at this particular moment is to target anytime you are having your blue line crossing the red line above. You see, like this particular moment, and you see, anytime you are looking, you are checking out your blue line that is crossing the red line, you can easily enter for what for your trade. Take just 10 of your candle, then out of your market. You see, let's check for more. You see, anytime you are having it, you see, same thing happen here. What happened in boom 500, it happened here. You see, because the market is giving us a uptrend at this a uptrend at this moment, and everything is keep on moving on the what on above what above 85 level here. You see, we have another confirmation at this level now, at this level. So at this level now, you see, you can take up to your 20 candle at this place, and it keep on working time to time. This does not fail majority of the time, because the market respects this strategy a lot, a lot, a lot. So you can easily take it. You just don't be too greedy in the market. Take what you want to take every day, then out of the market. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly help us to what subscribe to our channel, and you can also like and comment on this video, and give us a thumb ups. And also you can join our telegram group for more updates, for mentorship, for guide guys. So that is exactly what I have for you in this video. So watch out for my next video, because it's going to be so very wonderful, powerful strategy again that I'm going to be dropping soon. Thanks.